Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to book hotels in Airbnb. So first of all, launch any web browser or search engine. I'm going to launch Google search engine. Then let's search for Airbnb. From here, go ahead and tap on the official website link of Airbnb. Once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. From here, you can simply go ahead and tap on the search bar and search your destination, or you can simply tap on any of these locations and accommodations given in your home page. So let's tap on one of it. Once you come over here, scroll down below and you can see various details given over here. You can see facilities that this current accommodation has. You can also choose a date according to your preferences. You can see the ratings and reviews as well. After this, you can see the price mentioned at the bottom left corner. Once you have checked out all these details, simply tap on the option of reserve. Now you can change date, number of guests, and you can also learn more about the price by tapping on these options given at the right hand side. Then if you wish to, you can also choose to pay now or pay part now and part later. Choose any of these options. Then tap on the option of next. Now, in order to make a reservation, you would have to make a payment first, either full payment or half of your payment. So choose any of these payment methods, then tap on next. Now enter your details accordingly. After this, if you tap on the option of next, you will successfully be able to make a reservation or book a hotel in Airbnb. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.